3. Andrew and the Little Bird. Andrew and his family were out in their car. Dad was driving. Suddenly, a little bird flew into the windshield and fell. "Stop!" yelled Andrew. Dad stopped the car, looking sad. He said, "The bird is probably dead." Andrew jumped out of the car, pulling off his woolly hat. Gently, he picked up the bird and put it in his hat. Then he put the hat inside his coat. All the way, Andrew kept the bird warm. When they got home, Dad said, "We should bury that little bird, Andrew." Sadly, Andrew took his hat out of his coat and opened it. The little bird opened his eyes and looked at him. "Dad, it's alive! Look!" shouted Andrew. The little bird hopped onto his hand and then flew into a tree. "Well done, Andrew! It was you who saved that little bird," said Mom.